Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. Okay, hey guys, we bought some ear candles, and I'm gonna, this is not the first time I've done ear candles, but this is the first time Jen has seen ear candles. So we're gonna do this ear candle, and there's a mark on it that tells you when to stop, and hopefully, there's right there. Hopefully, I won't set myself on fire. That'll be fun.
I'm the one who will do this.
So I'm giving Jen the lighter.
Okay.
Right, and then there's the mark, so you watch. Indian ear candles, this is what it looks like. And it's 2 for 250 pesos or $5.
Yeah, what's on?
American. It says 100% organic, 100% natural, beeswax, pure oil, all materials are man-made and comply with the requirement of environmental protection, blah, 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 blah. No smoke, no ash, steady flame, reduces stress and tension, that's important. Cleans sinus areas and nasal passages. It cures nervousness. I won't be nervous anymore. What is? Relaxes headaches, relieves allergies, improves something in vision. Kind of hard to read. Cures everything but the gout. Okay, here we go. Indian ear candle. All right, here we go. You gonna come here, baby, light my fire.
Scare me naman.
All right, here we go.
How it feels?
Is it on fire?
You need to be read. And here there's a line. So, yeah, it's my first time. So it will be like hell yeah. It's okay now. It's okay now, love.
How far from the mark?
Almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Get that.
8. Yeah, that's okay na. Remove it.
All the way to the mark.
Yes, all the way to the mark.
Is it on the mark?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Oh my God.
Okay. Alright, let's see what's in it.
There's no.
Oh, look. Look, this was what was in my ear.
Really?
That was in my ear. Uh-huh.
Are you sure about
I am
that?
positive. Look at it. This is what come out of my ear. Oh, funky earwax. Something. Alright, baby. Now throw that, knock that off in the trash. And we'll get started on this one. Going?
Yes.
All right, you ready? All right, you ready? All right, y'all ready?
I'll believe.
Don't set my hair on fire.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready? Here we go. All right, go.
Wait, I can see the deal.
You don't need to see the dip. Oh. Okay, it's cooking. It doesn't take very long. Less than 5 minutes. For one, way less. Only a couple minutes. Is it going?
Yes, sir. What can you hear now?
It's kind of the hissing of the fire a little. It's not very loud.
But it feels good.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
How long have you using it? I mean, it's not your first time, so.
No, I guess the first time I candled my ears was 20 years ago.
Oh my god. I never experienced that, so I wanna try.
When you saw the stuff that came out of my ear, you'd never get that out with a Q-tip.
Yeah,
No.
I know.
I mean, this gets your ears clean. Clean.
It's okay to do?
Hmm?
It's safe?
Well, yeah. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire.
It's almost there.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
How much further?
It hurts?
No. I can feel the heat off the candle on my fingers. So I know it's got to be getting close to the line, yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me when it
10,
gets Tell me when it gets
9,
done.
8,
I don't need a countdown.
7,
I don't need a countdown.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Belize.
Are you sure?
Yeah, oh my god. Belize.
Are you sure?
Ah!
Ow, hot.
I'm telling you, we.
Alright, let's roll that out. It wasn't all the way. I don't know why it's so dark.
Maybe it's because you're old. Yeah.
Or what's in your ears?
I don't want to try.
You don't want to try.
Yeah. Scary.
Maybe I think this is part of that foam rubber,
Oh yeah, it's a foam.
honey. This part, look, that's foam rubber. That was in the first one. Here's
Oh,
here's the
okay.
foam rubber that was in the second one. 'Cause it,
So that's green.
yeah, see.
How did this come into your ear?
No. See, the foam rubber is packed on top of it, and then all the
So-
goop comes through there.
So that's not from your ear.
No. But see, this has got the foam rubber in it. All that goop come through the foam rubber. Nasty.
Yeah.
So how you feel now?
Feel like my ears are open.
Did you
Can you
recommend
hear us
it?
now?
Did you recommend it?
Oh yeah. I recommend it.
So
For
you
me.
need to tell them.
Oh, thumbs up. Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye now.
Okay.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
Yeah, right. Briskly.
Try to set the night on fire. All right, here.
Okay.
Okay, come on, come torch it up.
Okay.
Okay, where's my little deal? Go get my little deal.
I thought I already
Go get it so we catch it. Go. Belize, get it.
It's okay.
Quick. No, 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 no.